Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply create an event on Church Central Cloud platform. So for us to do that, we kindly proceed to the operational section and click on Events. After we are done doing that, we are going to click on Create. Then we are going to come up with this section, which we are going to fill the title of the event. Then you can put the description that matches your event, then select dates and time. Then proceed to add location of the event. Then also, this link will help you to easily host your event online if you want to host the event online. So you can just click and generate a link to host this event online. Then you can also, again, if you require registration, you can toggle this to simply enable registration for the event, and you can also then select the option if it's a recurring event. And if it is a type of event that happens weekly, you can choose weekly. And if it is events that happen every other or any other frequency, you can select, let's say, if it's Sunday service, you are going to select every Sunday, then you can leave this section empty for unlimited attendant. So you can proceed to create an event. But we have to also put the start date for the event. So let's use the first Sunday, then proceed to simply create event. So now we have successfully created an event. So what we are going to do now is to properly understand some of the features on this event section. So the first thing here is to understand that the event has QR code option, and the QR code option here is for the registration, which you can share to the members of the church or through whichever means possible to ensure that members register for the event using either the link or the QR code just as specified. Then we are going to also send invites. The option is to send invite to members and then enable them to register, and you can fill any custom message you want them to receive in this field right here, and that's for that one. Then the ticket option. The ticket option has two options, quick add and custom field. So on the quick add option, you have the option to add pre-registration, early bird, VIP, students, family pass, group, and so on and so forth. So you can just easily select any option available, then put the amount you want, and every other setting necessary on this field, and create the tickets option. So I think that is double, and we're going to delete one. So also, if we had to add other ticket option, like VIP, you can just do that as well. As you can see, we already added two of them. So you can create as much more possible for ticket option for members of the church to register for any event that needs registration with fee. So we are done with this. So the next option is this option here, custom registration. And the custom registration, there's a detail field below already you can see, and you can be able to also add custom fields that best match your description or what you need in the form. So you can just easily select the option here. If members that want to register for the event maybe have allergy or special needs or anything that is essential for the form, then the next option is also ticket QR. I think we already talked about this, which is for the registration. Then this other option we are going to look at after this is the scan ticket option. In this field, members can scan their tickets. Like you can scan members' tickets by either using their ticket code, number, or they can scan their tickets using the scan camera option there. So I think now we are done creating our ticket, and if you have any question regarding this tutorial, you are just going to contact us using our support system on the website, and we are going to surely get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.